Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's John Levy, and today, sporting my North Catholic gear, my alma mater. And today we are in Wildwood, New Jersey. Going to spend some time on the beach. Don't know if we're going to have an opportunity to walk the boards, but today is going to be a special beach location, the 17th Street Beach in Wildwood, New Jersey. Beach day that was dedicated to a good friend of mine who was killed in the line of duty, Corporal Jimmy O'Connor. So hope you all guys like the sights, sounds, and views of Wildwood, New Jersey Beach.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Yeah.